Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us continue with the next question, that is GATE CSE 2014 set 2 question 39. Okay, so consider the expression tree shown below. Okay, so here is an expression tree. Okay, so each leaf represents a numerical value which can be 0 or 1. So here they are giving us the option. So to select 0 or 1 for each and every node, like leaf node. Okay, so over all possible choices of the values at leaf, the maximum possible the maximum possible value of the expression represented by the tree is. So basically what will be the output of this, they are asking. So here we are having plus operation. I think they are clear, right? So this is plus operation, this is minus, this is minus, this is minus, this is plus operation, this is plus operation. So now we need to know what are the values of where the values will be zeros and ones, so that the final result we are adding, so the final result will be the maximum number. Okay, yes. So few of you might be saying that, so everywhere I'll keep 1. So most of us will get the first thought, that only, guys. So assume here 1, 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 here 1. Okay, let us start. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0, right? Yes. So that 0 will be passed here. So 2 minus 0 is 2. Similarly, 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, 0 plus 2 is 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. And I am sure around 20 to 30% of the students who have solved this question in that year have answered 4 and came, guys. I am sure about it. Okay, yes. So because most of the students will think in that way only. Okay, but these signs are showing some kind of pattern, guys. Okay, so if you observe here, so here these two could be taken 1, so to get the result 2. But if you apply some common sense, instead of taking 1 here, if you take 0, what will be the result, guys? The result will be minus 1. Okay, so if you do 2 plus, okay, so 2 minus of minus 1, what will be the result, guys? It will be 3, right? So instead of 2, you will be getting 3 here if you take 0 here, right? Yes. So in the same way, the same logic, let us apply this side also. So let us take these both as 1 and get 2 as the result. Okay, and here let us take this as 1 and this as 0 to get the result 1. So 1 minus 0 is 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So in total 3 plus 3 is 6. Got it? Yes. So now we got the result as 6. So this is just a logic based question, guys. So if you just understand the logic, like how additions are done, how subtractions are done, you can do this problem easily, right? You got the idea, right? Yes. So few might be saying that let us solve by substituting the values. So assume this as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So in that way you will be assuming and you will be taking some combinations and you can try. So you can try in that way also. But I think this tree method will only be the easiest one. Got it? You got the idea, right? So how I assumed. So I always want the maximum values at each and every node. So that's what I have always tried. Got it? Yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea on this. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Okay? Yes. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.